What excites me is when I meet my customers, I see in their eyes that they understand that the future is additive, the future is digital, and digital and additives goes together. Hello, I'm Yoav Zeif. I'm the CEO of Stratasys. Being profitable as an AM player is crucial, and also for the entire industry. Profitability is a reflection of the value that you deliver to your customers. If you are not profitable, it means that you are not able either to deliver value or to capture the value. And then the industry as a whole is not sustainable. So for us, every innovation has to go also with profitability. And our goal is profitable growth. AM was initiated as a cool thing. So it's all about delivering the innovation without focusing on capturing the value of innovation. The most common example is the hearing aids. Hearing aids, many of them, if not most of them, are being printed today because you need to personalize the aid. However, we as an industry, we get few cents for every hearing aid that is being sold for hundreds of dollars or thousands of dollars. It is not sustainable. So we need to find the way to capture value. And there are ways to do it. Collaboration is key. Collaboration is key because our competitors are not our peers in the industry. Our main competitors are the traditional manufacturing methodologies, like CNC, for example. And we need to break into manufacturing by focusing and collaborating. So when you want to create this value for your customer, you need to find the way to collaborate in a way that share the value that we created. This is win-win. What happened in our mindset when we think that our peers are the main competitors, we are looking for the win-lose situation. How can I do better than my competitor versus creating value together to our customers? For example, combining software and hardware, or combining material or hardware, or making sure that we are sharing the same standards. If we created value and we'll be mature enough to share it, this is win-win. Because the competition is the traditional methodologies, we need to penetrate where we shine as additive solutions. I call it only additive can do it. And only additive can do it in areas where we need to deliver special geometries with special properties. Because of the technology, we know how to do it better. The second area is low volume, high mix manufacturing. We are simply better in terms of the economics. The third area is when we want to protect supply chains and to produce near the customer. The fourth one is to deliver more sustainable solution to companies that sustainability is part of their brand. And the fifth one is the whole personalization and mass customization that literally only additive can do it. I'm very optimistic. We are going through a cycle, which is a combination of a macro cycle, but also industry cycle. The macro environment is clear. There is a lot of pressure from the top of being more efficient, and the whole manufacturing sector is being challenged. But this is good for us because it makes us sharper. On the industry side, we were in a period of innovation, the cool period, we can call it. Now we are getting into the period of delivery. We need to deliver value, to stabilize the solution and to deliver value, accurate part, total cost of ownership, reliability, and enablement, making our customers successful. What excites me is when I meet my customers, I see in their eyes that they understand that the future is additive, the future is digital, and digital and additives goes together. the future of manufacturing is digital. The best way to manufacture in a digital way is additive.